When you open positions in the same trading instrument, these are combined in one single position with an average price and a net volume. Instead of showing the result from each separate trade, the position displays the aggregate result from all of them. This is called net mode of operation. Some traders, however, prefer to view the result from each individual position. This is why our platform also features a logical mode of operation, in which all positions in the same instrument are shown separately. Orders placed in logical mode form logical positions, which can be managed aggregately, separately, or selectively according to your preferences. With logical orders, you can also easily keep track of hedged or opposite positions in the same instrument, for example, both long and short positions in euro-dollar. This option enables you to hedge your positions against market fluctuations and also to minimize risk. Another advantage of using logical positions is that no margin is required for each separate trade, but for the net position only.